Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com here with your Thursday market webcast. Right, this is going to be really short and sweet. I'm late getting this out. It's about a minute before the open, but I did want to point out, basically what we've talked about: the inability to take out the 20-day. They tried it here, a little 3-day pullback here, here. That was 4 days. Wow, here, and here. Look. As long as these things get bought in and around the 20-day, it remains a buy the dips market. Okay, we're up above weekly pivot. We're up in and around the 4,300 area. Everything has been held. This was a nasty little move down yesterday late that printed 48 and change. Could not take out. That was a retest of the daily midband right there. You can see the green line and the monthly pivot. They rejected that. So whether that was a sell program or some kind of news or somebody did. Whatever they did, it got rejected. They then made a higher high off of it, broke out above this area. That 5280 area had been problematic. And then it holds all night, pops on the 8:30 news, and now we'll see what it wants to do as we get into the regular session. Unless the bears have a pretty good day, and when I say a pretty good day is they got to get back down here. They've got to, at a minimum, get back down against their old nemesis, the weekly pivot in the 9-day, now that we've given those up again. Otherwise, it's just a steady glide today, and if jobs works out tomorrow, then by tomorrow at the close, this 53.33 half, we're looking at a different high of the moment. So volume-weighted average price and the proprietary moving average are locked up with the 9-day between 87 and 88. You can see the weekly pivot there, it's 96. Hourly midband 79, about 79.5. That was good resistance overnight. So as we open here, you got to see, do they want to fade it back? And if they do fade it back, that's just kind of like they ring the bell, Pavlov's dog fades it. Okay. We're up so much, we got to fade. Okay, fine. It's what happens next that's critical. Does 5,300 hold? Does 5296 hold? Do they subsequently make a higher high? If they make a higher high and make another higher high midday, chances are they can run this up into the close. So the bears need to counteract that, and the best way to do it is to take out the 9-day and take out that hourly midband and then stay down there. Don't come back and let it bounce. Then it really will go. So it's a very important day for the bears. They dropped the ball yet again. The low, higher lows, the same dynamic we've been talking about going back months on these pullbacks. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well. I will do a webcast pre-jobs tomorrow. Pre-jobs. All right, take care. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.